Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello, Gary. How are you today?
Good morning. Welcome from my office.
Right there.
Conference room.
Very good. We have an email question. Let's get right to it. Hi, Gary. I ordered some orthopedic braces, and they promised they'd be here in 48 hours. I still don't have them. Do I have a case? And it's impacting my rehabilitation.
Yeah, the answer is probably no. Hopefully by the time you've watched this, the answer has been solved. But I don't see breach of contract cases over timeliness having any validity right now. A national emergency, everything's turned upside down. There's just going to be impossibility defenses, and hopefully it's just a short problem and not something that is a problem for a long term, but I suspect it's no case, no.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for that. Now, there's other developments. What is still happening out there in the legal world?
What we're starting to hear about, and I think it's worth talking about to small business owners particularly, is you may have some coverage in your business insurance. So look for business interruption insurance. Read your policy. Who has the policy? Go find it. But it's all going to be determined by the terms of the policy. But there may be coverage in there. There's usually a preemption if you get some of the government bailout money, but that can be looked at later. But I think you might want to be talking to your insurance agent to see whether there may be some coverage for this catastrophic event, really, in the life of so many small businesses.
Very good. Very good. What else?
And on a lighter side, I'll share a couple of the things, to prove the world is continuing to turn, just as it always does in America. There's a class action that's been filed in New York in the past week. Who has time for this? And they're alleging misrepresentation of the blueberry muffins at Panera Bread, saying that instead of being all new or fresh blueberries, there's some imitation flavors in there. So, the world keeps turning. I can't explain that one, but there's that. And then finally, this may make some people happy. There was a New Jersey lawyer who was arrested for playing his guitar on the front porch, playing Pink Floyd to the neighborhood, and apparently some people gathered out in front because he gathered too many people together. He was arrested and taken to jail. So,
Well, but at least there was Pink Floyd, right?
It was Pink Floyd. That's right. I think he thought he'd get away with it being an acoustic rendition.
Very good.
There we are.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Yes.
Use your hand sanitizers
Yes.
and your masks.
Thank you so very much for joining us today, Gary, and we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.